This is the problem. Find the possible values of positive integer n such that n square plus 96 is a perfect square. We have to find out the positive integral values of n such that n square plus 96 is a perfect square. Now, let us begin. Here n square plus 96 is a perfect square. Is a perfect square. So, we can assume, let us n square plus 96 is a perfect square, that is n plus k whole square, a perfect square where k is positive integer, k is integer. K is integer. Now, n square plus 96 equal to n square plus 2nk plus k square, which implies k equal to 96 minus k square over that is n equal to over 2k, n equal to 96 minus k square over 2k. Here n is positive integer, n is positive integer, So, k lies between the number 1 and 9. So, k lies between 1 and 9, that is values of k is integer. So, k equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have to verify for the values of k, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 such that n is positive integer. This relation is satisfied. Now, for k equal to 1, n equal to 96 minus 1 square 2 into 1, that is 95 over 2, which is a fraction, but n is considered as positive integer. N is considered as positive integer, but this value is a fraction, not integer. So, it is not possible. So, it is not possible. It is not possible. So, it is not possible as n is positive integer. As n is positive integer. So, k equal to 1, k not equal to 1. If k equal to 1, then value of n is 95 over 2, that is a fraction which is not possible because n is positive integer. So, k not equal to 1, k equal to 1 is not possible. Here we can easily verify, we can in this way we can easily verify that k not equal to any odd number, that is k not equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, because for k equal to 3, that is 96 minus 3 square, that is 87 over 6, it is a fraction. And for 5, 96 minus 25 which is 71 by 10, that is a fraction, it is not possible. For k equal to 7, 96 minus 7 square, that is 49, 96 minus 49 is 47, 47 over 14, 47 over 14 is a fraction which is not possible. And for 9, that is 96 minus 9 square, 96 minus 81, that is 15, 15 over 18, which is also a fraction which is not possible. That is, for k equal to 13579, n values of n are fractions. So, k equal to 13579 is not possible, that is k not equal to 13579. Again, for k equal to 2, k equal to 2, this implies n equal to 96 minus 2 square over 2 into 2, that is 96 minus 4 over 4, that is 92 over 4. 23 is a positive integer, so it is satisfied. So, it is possible because n is positive integer. So, value of n is also a positive integer 23. So, it is possible. It is possible. It is possible as n is positive integer. N is positive integer. So, here also we can easily verify, we can also easily verify that k equal to 2468, value of k equal to values of k which are 2468 is possible, because for these values of k n is integer, n is positive integer. It can be easily verified. It can be easily verified that for k equal to 2468 n is positive integer. So, these are possible. So, k equal to 2468 are possible. For k equal to 4, n equal to 96 minus 4 square over 2 into 4, which is 5. For k equal to 6, n equal to 96 minus this is 10, this is 10, 96 minus 6 square over 2 into 6, which is 5. N k equal to 8, n equal to 96 minus 8 square over 2 into 8, which is 64. 96 minus 64 is 32 over 16 equal to 2. So, these are the values of n. So, the values of n are, so n equal to 2, 5, 10, 2, 5, also 10, 23. The values of n are 2, 5, 10 and 23. These are the values of n such that n square plus 96 is a perfect square. Also, we can verify that n square plus 96 for n equal to 2, for n equal to 2 equal to 2 square plus 96 equal to 10 square, which is a perfect square. N square plus 96 for n equal to 4, we can get 4 square, n equal to 5, sorry, 5, that is n equal to 5 square plus 96, which is 121, that is 11 square, which is a perfect square, and n square plus 96 for n equal to 6, n equal to 10, we have 10 square plus 96 equal to 14 square, which is a perfect square, and also n square plus 96 for n equal to 23, the value of n square minus 96 is, for n equal to 23 is 23 square plus 96 equal to 25 square, which is a perfect square. So, the values, possible values of n are 2, 5, 10, 3, for which n square plus 96 is a perfect square. So, possible values, so possible of n are 2, 5, 10 and 23, for which for these values of n square plus 96 is a perfect square. So, for which n square plus 96 is a perfect square. Perfect square. Thus, we have found out the values of n for which n square plus 96 is a perfect square.